Hello everyone. Have you ever used algebra to solve age-worded problems? I'll show you how it is easy to do that. So for that, the prior knowledge required is a familiarity with the algebra notations, which are the letters, negative numbers, multiplication, division, plus and minus, all four operations, then inverse operation, a one and two step equation which we have solved in last couple of videos, and decoding the worded problem, so the what the words mean in mathematical operations. So we will look that into our next example. So this is a question: a father is 5 times as old as his son. In this case, none of the age of father or son is straight away given to us. We need to figure it out. So what algebra allows us to do that because we are dealing with the unknown number here. So we don't know what's the age of son. So I'm going to say that age of son equals to x. You can pick any letters. And I know that age of father here is 5 times. When I say decode means decoding what the terms means, which is multiplication here. So it's 5 times x equals to 5x. Then it says the difference in their age. The difference in maths, I'm sure you all would know, which is minus, right? Their age is 32 years. So 5x minus x equals to 32 years. Now you can see that this is our algebraic equation, and using the balancing method we can solve it. So 5x minus x, if there isn't any letter in front of x, which is just 1, so 5 minus 1 is 4x equals to 32. And as seen in previous videos, if the 4 is in multiplication with x, the inverse operation of 4 multiplication will be division. So we are going to divide both the side with 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So x equals to, how many times 4 will go into 32? That's correct, 8. So age of son is 8 years old. What do you think about this problem? Have you ever thought of solving this way, or have you ever done this way? Please do comment and let me know. Right, let's look at this example. A girl is 7 years older than her brother. So brother's age would be X, we don't know, plus 7 years because she is older. Now, in 5 years, the girl will be 20. So in next 5 years, girl's age is going, girl age is going to be 20 years. How old is the brother now? We need to find out what's the current age of brother, which means that we need to find out what's the current age of the sister. So let's see, because in 5 years' time, the girl's age will be 20. So now I would say the girl's age is going to be 20 minus 5, which is 15. And because girl is 7 years older than brother, so we have to take away 7 from the girl's age, which is 15 at the moment. That would give us the age of the boy. And then 15 minus 7 is 8 years old. Right. After going through these two examples, are you ready to try some questions? So I have given you 5 set of questions here. Please do try and watch the videos. Make sure you pause and try the question. I assume at this point you have tried the questions and you are ready to mark your answers. So, here are your answers. Please mark them and do comment if you got all of them correct, or if you want further explanation. We will be looking at this type of worded problems in future videos too. Okay, right. I have another example as well to show you. So Alex is 4 times as old as Ben. So we don't know how old is Ben, we don't know how old is Alex. So, but we do know that Ben is X age And then Lx is 4 times Ben. So it's 4x. Now the difference between their ages is 27. So 4x minus x equals to 27. 4x minus x is going to give us 3x equals to 27. Now, using our inverse operation, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Therefore, x equals to, how many times 3 will go into 27? 9. So, x equals to 9 years. So, Ben's age is 9 years. If it happens that the question was asking you to find Alex's age, so then Alex would be 4 times 9, which is 36 years. Please let me know if you have any queries in the comment box. Right, so here are another set of questions. Please to try them. They are very interesting. And this type of questions you do get in the 11 plus exam and also in the SATS exam. These are very common questions. Right. At this point, I hope you have tried some questions and you are ready to mark your answers. I'm keeping my videos very short, clear with explicit instructions. So please let me know how are you finding this. Okay, so there we go. Here are the answers. Please do mark them. And that is end of our session. So my videos are designed with very short, simple, explicit explanation, focusing on one skill at a time and to make your 11 plus journey uh, very successful and filled with funful examples and questions to do. Right. If you want me to make any videos of your any specific topic, please do comment and I will see you in next video.